Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to multiply in Microsoft Excel. So let us jump straight in. As you can see over here, we are on a new document and we want to take this cell over here. You can see we are going to enter some data. Okay, and what we're going to do now is we are going to multiply, and this is where we want our answer. So wherever it is that you want your answer, you're going to go and select that cell. Now the next step is to type in the equals button, and then we are going to select one of our numbers, and we're going to use the asterisk, which supplements for multiplication, and then we are going to select our other number. And once you've done that, it's very simple. You're going to hit enter, and there is your answer. Now, this is a formula. So what's going to happen is if you change this number, let's say we make it 40, it will now also change your answer. Let us say that we change this number. It's going to continue to change your answer because these three cells are connected in a formula. If this was a helpful video, don't forget to drop us a big old thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.